So I kind of switched up how I install visor strips, eyebrows, banners, whatever you want to call it, and I'm going to show you on this cruise right now. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Wayne from Fade to Black. You know, I've kind of switched up how I install visor strips on cars, and I'll tell you the reason why. The glass on these newer cars seems like it's really soft. I mean, even though this is an older cruise, what I'm finding out, if you put that blade on any type of glass, any type of windshield, it's gonna scratch. And I don't wanna risk that happening, and I don't wanna risk having to buy this owner a new windshield. So I kind of changed up how I've been installing my visors from some of my older videos. Since this cruise has the big mirror thing that comes out in the middle, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do it in two pieces, all right? So I'm gonna get the driver's side piece, I'm gonna get the passenger side piece, I'm gonna lay them both in separately, I'm gonna lay one piece across, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shine a light in, and then I'm just gonna use a Sharpie to make my marks, cut the film out on the peel board, and we'll be good to go. So follow along and I'll show you exactly how I get this installed. All right, so the whole rest of this car is already done. I did 5% in the back, 20% on the front, and I did a 5% visor strip on this one. So that's how I installed visor strips on some of these cars with the new plastic that comes down really low. I do them in 2 pieces. I probably could have popped off all that plastic and just did one in 1 piece. But like I said before, if I don't have to remove anything, I generally don't. I mean, you can just go around a lot of these things. You don't have to take everything apart. And with this, you'll never even notice that it's 2 pieces. It's gonna look like 1 big piece. One method, I know a lot of people have a lot of other different methods. This is how I do it now with these newer cars. I take the Sharpie, I go back over to my peel board, I cut the 2 pieces out and install. If you like this content, give me a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell so you do not miss any notifications, and I'll be back when I get time with another video. Until then, stay faded. Peace.